Lisa Hollinger. Did you know that the IRS has a 911 form? And it's for exactly what you think it is. It's for an emergency situation when whatever the IRS is doing is creating a hardship. Now, prior to the pandemic, this was a pretty helpful form. It really could kind of achieve the goal and kind of stop things and kind of force the IRS to deal with the issue when at times it's easy to pass the buck. Since the pandemic, the 911 form is not as effective. Unfortunately, that's dealing with the taxpayer advocacy group. And although their service is amazing and they do great things, right now they're almost useless, at least when it comes on the professional side. Maybe a taxpayer they'll work better with. But if you find yourself in a situation with the IRS and you don't know what to do, you can either reach out to the IRS, which has to be done. You can find you a low-income tax clinic and see if you qualify. You can contact the taxpayer advocate and see if they can help you, or you can get a professional. But just know that in the event that there's something serious that's happening, maybe the IRS has seized your home. Yes, they do seize homes. Or maybe they've cleaned out your bank account and all of a sudden your mortgage is getting ready to bounce because you've already missed 3 payments and, who knows, life gets in the way. Call the taxpayer advocate because you probably are going to be a good candidate for that 911 form. And it is a fast turnaround. Well, it's supposed to be a fast turnaround with the IRS. So just keep that in mind. There is an emergency form for the IRS. If you don't let it get to that point, you are way better off. But I also understand at times, even when you're doing everything correctly with the IRS, things still get out of whack. They still tend to pass the buck, and your case is being referred to service center to service center to service center, maybe to revenue officer to different agents along the way, and all of a sudden you need help. That's where the 911 and the taxpayer advocate comes in. I understand that is not really your fault, but at least you know that there's a place that you can go. I hope that helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care and bye for now.